Hey guys, this is Tim. I just received this box of LED solar motion sensor lights from the manufacturer to review. So let's open the box, take out the contents, and give it a try. Okay, let's open up the box. Okay, let's take a closer look at this solar panel LED floodlight. It has recently been upgraded to be waterproof, heat resistant, frost resistant, against weather. The solar panel has been upgraded with a tempered glass to last longer, as well as the sensor and the covers for the LED lights. It has a total of 218 LEDs, which make it a very bright light. Okay, if we look at the left and right LED heads, they'll rotate up and down at a 90-degree angle, as well as rotate up and down at 155 degrees. So this can allow you to direct the light in many different directions. Okay, this is a super brightness light up to 2500 lumens. The distance of the sensor is up to 40 feet. It's been upgraded to pick up motion and to turn on the lights. It's equipped with a lithium-ion battery inside. The solar panel is a 2.5 watt to 5.5 volt panel, and it just requires about 7 to 8 hours of full direct sunlight in order to reach a fully charged battery. According to the user manual, it will last up to 12 hours. Both the solar panel and the mounting can be rotated and tilted in order to determine the best way of mounting, as well as to set the direction of your light. Comes with 2 mounting brackets, a couple of screws, and once you mount this to the wall, then this will just simply slide in that slot and then stay into place. If you needed to remove the light for any particular reason, you just simply lift it out of the slot of the mounting bracket. Okay, this orange button on the back is where you would turn the light on and off, or to set your modes. It has 3 useful modes. The first mode is a permanent on all night mode. So you press the button, the light will flash one time to activate the permanent on all night mode. In this mode, the sensor light keeps the dim light on all night and then turns off when there's sunlight. This mode lasts for up to 12 hours at night after the lamp has been fully charged for 7 to 8 hours in sunlight. Okay, the second function is a smart brightness control mode. You would press the button and the light will flash 2 times to activate the double safety mode. Okay, in this motion, it's similar to the first one. It remains in a low light mode, but then if motion is detected, it will turn on the lights to a bright mode for up to 15 seconds or until after movement has stopped. Okay, the third and final mode is the bright light mode, which when you press the orange button and you have 3 flashes, then that would activate the sensor's bright light mode. The lamp remains off all night until the sensor detects movement nearby. And then at that detection of any movement, the sensor turns the light on and it'll turn on into the bright mode. So in this motion also the lights will stay on the bright mode as long as there's motion in the area, and then it will remain on another 15 seconds after the movement has stopped or left the area. Okay, earlier I did take this light out and place it in the sun for several hours to charge up the battery in here so we can test the lights out. Okay, I'll show you the light flashes of each of the modes, and it will light up according to the mode, but the lights will not come on permanently because of the daylight. So I'll press the button once. It flashed 1 time to indicate mode 1. I'll press the button again. It flashed 2 times to indicate the second mode. and it flashed 3 times to indicate mode 3. Let me see if I can get it dark enough in my shop here to activate the motion. Okay, I'm in my shop with the lights off, so let's see if the motion detection picked up immediately. Very bright, very bright. These are both sets of lights together. Should go off after 15 seconds. So let's get out of the motion light path. Let's get back in the path. I think the lights are working as designed. So if you're looking for solar powered LED floodlights, then these are definitely the lights to consider. They're fully weather resistant, very bright with 218 LEDs in each of the lights, weather resistant, and have 3 operating modes and easy to mount. I don't think you'd be disappointed, so I highly recommend these solar powered LED motion detected floodlights.